Did not already have it going.
Okay, there it is. Okay.
This is play with your feet. Right.
Once
I like that.
stuffed crust
Was added to Domino.
Everything's wrong. I'm so hungry.
This is not the song.
You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your claws. You can lacerate the cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig up all the flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some threads. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chew your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't feed it. Soaked up, you let me play with you.
Slow walk around.
You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your top before the lunch. You can play with your food, why fight it? It's a crazy little game called lunch. So, tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to paddle in the puddles, dabble in the mud, take sticklebacks in the shallows. Then maybe if there's time, go sliding in the slime to the marsh where you find marshmallows.
Left.
I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch water boatmen race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitty.
You look around. Where you go?
You want to play hide and seek, do you? Where are you? Am I getting warmer? You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chip your tail before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't feed it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can toy with your top before the hunt. You can play with your food, why hide it? It's a crazy little game. Do you like oranges?
I don't know. I've never tried one.
Well, suck on this. It's a crazy